Welcome to the Nova Airmada channel, to the usual suspects and to the newcomers. Today's aircraft is the Delta Airlines Boeing 717-2BD airliner that was used for North American regional and nationwide service. Stay tuned to learn its 18-year history that takes us nearly all over North America. The aircraft was powered by two Rolls Royce BR715 series high bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 18,920 pounds force or 84 kilonewtons. Each aircraft typically carried around 106 passengers in a two-class layout, but that could be increased to 117 when needed. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 444 knots or 822 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 1,400 nautical miles or 2,700 kilometers with a standard payload. Originally, this 717-2BD was delivered to Air Tran Airways on June 3, 2005, with the initial livery being the teal and white livery used during the period of time leading to Air Tran's purchase by Southwest Airlines. The only registration for this aircraft became November 922 Alpha Tango. The airplane would serve this small but growing airline for 9 years. After Air Tran's merger with Southwest Airlines, all of their 717s were leased and sold to other companies. This aircraft was leased from Southwest to Delta Airlines in 2014. While Delta kept the original registration, the aircraft was repainted in the current onward and upward livery from 2007. The aircraft continued serving the North American market for Delta effectively as if nothing happened, with both Air Tran and Delta having their primary hubs in Atlanta. The aircraft initially entered storage at the Wilmington Airborne Air Park in Ohio in April of 2020, in response to the downturn in airline business due to the worldwide pandemic occurring at the time. It stayed there until January of 2021, where it transferred to San Bernardino Airport to await its fate. Whether it will be scrapped or continue flying will be determined in the future. What you are seeing here is a video showing the 1/400 scale Gemini jets version of this aircraft released in 2016. As you can see here, this particular run of models in 1/400 scale has been the only one produced by any manufacturer so far. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. If you like what you have seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.